I've been proposed to 14 times, and I've said no 14 times. And this is 14 times by 14 different men.
What, proposals of marriage? Or just, do you fancy a Nando's?
No. This is proposal of marriage.
14 proposals of marriage, and you've turned them all down?
Yes. And I've turned them all down. They're not suitors that I'm looking for.
Well, they must have... I mean, they wouldn't propose to you out of nowhere. They don't just stop you in the street, do they? I mean, you must have gone out with them, or I'm confused, frankly, Sonia.
Well, I didn't have, like, 14 relationships with them, but these are just people who I just had friendships with, and then over a while, you know, she seems like a good person, let me propose to her. And I'm like, no. That's not happening. Now, they may think that I'm suitable for them, but I don't necessarily think that they're suitable for me.
Are you married now?
No, I'm divorced.
Oh. So you did get married. Was that number 15? Or have you had these marriage proposals in between and throughout your life?
No. This is all after I got divorced from my husband.
Ah, so you're okay. No, actually, no. I don't know why I did that noise of comprehension and understanding. I'm still completely nonplussed. I don't quite understand how you can end up creating in 14 men's minds the idea that you might be their wife. Where'd you find the time and the energy?
Well, the thing is, right, I always let people know, look, I'm not just looking for a relationship, I'm looking for a marriage, okay?
Yeah, oh, okay.
And they eventually start to think, well, I want to be with her, and if the only way I'm going to be with her is to marry her, let me ask her to marry her. That's not a good enough reason.
So they're asking you to marry them because it's the only way that the relationship is going to even get started?
Blossom, yeah.
I think you might. Are you not putting the cart before the horse on this one?
Well, I don't know.
Well, you should maybe see them a bit, go on a few dates, and then decide whether or not they're marriage material. They turn them down when they're So every time someone's asked you to marry them, they've really just been asking for a first date.
No, I mean, I've been out with them, like, maybe out to dinner or something, but... nothing else.
It's bedtime, is it? Is that what we're talking? You won't go to bed with someone unless you're married to them.
Oh, no. All right. None of that hanky-panky there, James.
What? So that's why they're proposing. That's why they're proposing to you then, because it's the only way they're going to get any.
They want to get me in the sack.
Well,
they want to get me in the sack.
Well, you live and learn. Get advice to women who are about to turn down men making proposals. I mean, is there a nice way of doing it, a nasty way, or do you just play each one differently?
It is. I don't know. It depends on the individual, because it isn't a nice thing to do, because, how often do men propose to women, especially if they haven't tasted... Was it the cat in a bag or something like that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So it is really hard.
Hey?
I think it's hard for them, and it's harder for us to say no. But when I think about my life being with that person, I think, no, I have to be myself. I have to say no. It's otherwise I'll go down the route of another divorce, and I don't want another divorce. Is
it 14 and counting, or do you think your courting days are behind you now?
No, my courting days ain't over.
So you're still open to offers?
Oh, yeah. It's got to be the right person.
I just want to get you to ring me when you hit 20.
Is that again?
Give me a ring when you hit 20. Are you, modesty aside, are you exceptionally attractive? Bearing in mind I am, so I don't want you to be embarrassed about admitting it.
I'm attractive.
Yes.
Yes, I wouldn't say exceptionally attractive.
Oh, you see, I find that modesty very attractive.
Do you?
Yeah.
Pray me they do. Okay.
Shame I'm already married, otherwise I could have been Big 15.